Lorraine,
About to get another
Medina,
one.
Portage, and Summit, and a foul.
We had one other aircraft.
An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lorraine County, western Medina County, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles southwest of Wellington and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Litchfield, Wellington, Lodi, Grafton. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Lorraine, and Medina. An urgent weather message for the